Hello, my name is William, and today I will be showing you how to create preventive work orders. Okay, right now I'm on the Create Recurring Work page. To access this page, we go on Recurring Work and click Create Recurring Work. Now, we need to fill out the information. Here we have the work order type. These are the work orders we can choose for this task. Next, we have the ability to set the priority of this task. It ranges from highest to lowest, and we can also set it to unprioritize it. Next, we can assign the lead to this task. Next, we can choose the craft from either contractor, electrician, maintenance technician, or plant operator. Next, we can write the work request. Then we can assign the shift, whether it's the first, second, or third. Also, we can set an estimated time of when the task will be completed. And lastly, we can send notifications through email regarding this task. Now let's look at assets. Under assets, we can add an asset to this task. Let's use a search and search, for example, pump 004. As you can see, we have pump 004. We can select this, and once we click select, it will appear on the assets list. Next, we have trigger info. We can set the trigger method by date or by utilization or even both. Under this, we have create next work order days before due and create next work order units before due. Next, we can set the due dates for the work order by days or by how much work has been done. Lastly, we have when the work orders will be triggered by a select month or by select days. Next, let's have a look at procedure and parts. Here we can add a record to procedures by clicking here. Here we can see that the procedures are labeled by their IDs, their descriptions, and the number of steps they have. Next, let's look at parts. As we can see, when we choose the parts relevant to the task, these parts are labeled by their item number, description, how many is on hand, their item class, their location, which stockroom they're located at, the preferred vendors, the last cost, and the image of the item. And then once you're done putting all your information, we can click create, and your preventive work order will be created. That will be all for this demo. If you have any questions or want another demo, please contact us through email at marketingteam@americanworkflow.com or call us at 1347-716-9366. Thank you.